Hey guys, it's Dom from MobileTechTalk. We are here in Paris. We've just gotten back to our hotel room and we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Huawei P20 Pro, as you can see here. So, we take it off. First up, we have the phone. And as you can see, that sound is so good. As you can see, we got the black version. I think this is called Midnight Black. I could be wrong, but I love that sound. As you can see, we got the black one. I'm going to quickly power it on and put it in the corner. There we go, a little buzz. So we obviously have the little divider plate here. Up on top we have the SIM removal tool and nothing else. This is I believe, a pre-release unit, so there would be documentation in here, and if it's anything like other Huawei phones, there would also be a silicon case. Having a look further in the box, if I zoom in, there is the supercharge plug. So those of you who don't know, supercharge, come on, you're gonna, there we go. Supercharge is Huawei's proprietary fast charging standard. It is 4.5 volts at 5 amps, which is 22.5 watts. That's a lot of power. Special plug needs a special cable, which we can see here. Oh, sorry about the cat. Sorry about the cat. Sorry about that. This is the special supercharge USB-C cable. The way you can tell is if you have a look on the inside, the connector, if I, is that gonna, there we go, you can see the connector inside is purple, and that's how you know. It's also a very, very thick cable. You're not going to mistake this for another cable in your house. Next up we have some USB-C earbuds. They are very Apple inspired, shall we say. They look like earpods, but obviously USB-C instead of Lightning. And lastly, because as you may have guessed by the phone shipping with USB-C headphones, there is no headphone jack. So Huawei give you a dongle. Here you go, a USB-C to 3.5mm dongle. You'll be now living the hashtag dongle life. But that is a small price to pay for a phone as awesome as this one is. So I'm quickly going to pack all this back up and then get back to the phone. And this is it. This is the Huawei P20 Pro in black. I am so excited to review this. So on the front we have the 6.1-inch OLED display. Wow, words are hard. It's an 18.7 to 9 aspect ratio at resolution 2240 by 1080, so slightly taller than 18 by 9. And yes, it's got a notch. If you don't like notches, this is not going to make you like notches. Come on, you know you want to focus. There we go. So yeah, it's got a notch. If you don't like notches, you're not going to like this notch. But Huawei do give you the option in the settings to kind of mask it with basically a black edge on either side, and it just shifts everything down a bit. So if you want to hide it, you can. Below the screen, I don't know if you can see that, the lighting isn't great in this room, is the fingerprint scanner. Not my favourite place, but hey ho. If I just quickly turn the screen off, right up top we have the 24 megapixel front-facing camera, the ambient light and proximity sensors in the middle, and the circular earpiece, because Huawei is cool like that. On the right side of the device, we have the power button and volume rocker. The power button, as you can see, has a nice little red accent to it, which is really cool. I really like that. Up top, we have the IR blaster and the secondary microphone. Down the bottom, we have the USB-C port and the speaker grill and main microphone jack. And on the back, apart from my fingerprints, we have, if I can get it in focus, there we go, we have the camera system. So this is the pièce de résistance. This is the Huawei P20 Pro's camera setup. So we have an 8 megapixel 3x telephoto zoom lens, a 40 megapixel RGB lens, and then a 20 megapixel black and white lens. There's also some improved laser autofocus in between these two. There is the LED flash, and there is a color temperature sensor there. Now, aside from our pre-brief, we haven't had much time to play with the camera on the Mate 10 Pro, on the P20 Pro, but we should be having some more fun with it this evening, and well, we'll see what happens afterwards. Anyway guys, like I said, this has been a quick unboxing of the Huawei P20 Pro here in Paris, and that's going to slide. There we go. I've been Dom from MobileTechTalk, and I will see you guys in the next video.